Alrighty guys, what is going on, man? Let's go out here and find out. Somebody told me there was is it? Yes! Another truckload, guys. Let's go see. Whoa, look like that gray one is about to fall. What is going on? I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Y'all, excuse the shaking video. I'm gonna give me one of them stabilizer things where my stuff will be movie type smooth. But we're gonna go ahead and see what they delivering now, guys. I told you guys, these vehicles are obviously selling. Okay, there's no shortage in sight for the demand of these SRT model vehicles. All these V8s, whether they gas guzzlers or not, the people that own them do not care. All right, man, this one up here looking pretty scary. Y'all see that? Don't that look scary? One small move, that thing is in your back if you're the driver. What is holding it up? Look at this guy. I mean, even if you hit a bump, it's just held on by a strap. That's it. That's the only thing holding the whole weight. That's coming into your back. Nah, it's got to be something else. Let me get this straight. The weight of this truck is being held by a strap. I'm sure the brakes on. I understand that. The brakes don't matter because this vehicle is tilted. All right. This is a... God, these are all Challengers LX body cars. No wide bodies, guys. I think we got the last couple of wide bodies Chrysler made. Hey, man, let me ask you something. The whole weight of this car is held on by this strap?
By 3 straps.
That's it? What if you hit a big bump? It ain't gonna slide back or nothing like that?
Those straps right there are rated for like 4,000 pounds.
Good Lord. Woo. All right, this is out of my... I have no...
All you need, legally, all you need is half of your load limit. So
and you raising it up even more?
A 4,000 pound car, all you need is 2,000 pounds worth of strap.
To hold it? To hold it in place, no matter if it's tilted or not. Nah, dog. You ain't bringing no PT Cruisers up here lately.
Man, you gotta go to damn freaking used car dealer.
Alright, y'all hear that? It doesn't take much to hold them down, according to my man here. Ooh, that's a nice one, man. That is a nice one. He just jacked that up even more. All of these are ours? No, we ain't gonna give you one. I'm talking about they all gonna be dropped here?
Hey, man, if I keep on coming here, you'll learn one thing about me.
What's that?
I'm a smart ass.
You're a smart ass. Who determines if you drop a load here? Just a load? Oh, that's where they distributed that in Athens, and then.
Hanson and Atkins have a contract.
Oh.
With Chrysler out of Hateville and Lawrenceville.
Oh, it's coming out of Hateville and Lawrenceville. This is beautiful.
See, what I'm mad about is that when Fiat took majority ownership of Chrysler, they promised they were going to bring the Magnum back.
The Magnum? Oh, the big station wagon looking Magnum? I think that's the wrap for that car, man.
It probably is, but I love the look.
Yeah, that Magnum was tight, especially the ones with the Hemi in it, not the little 3.5 or the 2.7.
No, man, they have power.
Yeah, you got
The
to.
reason why I like it,
Why?
I fly remote control airplanes and helicopters and drones. There's a nice big open spot back there to put all your stuff in there.
Oh, yeah.
Ease.
Yeah.
Because like right now, I got a Kia Optima.
Oh.
I really wouldn't own one of these.
Really?
Have you ever seen what the door panels do over a little bit of time? On these Chargers especially?
No.
They start pulling away from the doors.
Wow.
You know, because I haul brand new, I haul auction, I haul repos.
Yeah.
And all that. You see what cars look like after.
Damn. Whoa. Yeah, those I like. Those are nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
In 5 minutes, the tent's fully set up.
Oh wow.
And then there's a that the guy that's owned this company used to be a cabinet maker.
Ah.
And he started a company called
Okay. Yeah.
and it's all wood with like Linux coding, and then you can attach a couple one side of the drawer system, the other side is where you put
Yep.
or you can use a 60-40 split, take the 60 out, or you can take the whole entire pack and take out half both paddles.
Woo. Said I should give me one, man. $392. Ooh, all of these are equipped with y'all see those 8-speed ZF transmissions? They all equipped. I'm still tripping off this one, guys. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how tilted this is? He said it's only held on by strap. Y'all heard his explanation on how much weight it take. Look at this shit. I mean, look at this. I'm monetized. I can't be cut. Holy crap. Forget the emergency brake. This strap. All right. Okay. Well, I've drewed enough, guys. I did want to hang out and watch him unload it. I might just set my camera down, watch him unload it, and do the speed thing. You know what they call that when the video go fast, time lapse. But I'm not gonna do all that. All right, guys, that is all I have. I just wanted to come out. We got a different variety of colors and everything. Y'all see that?
Yes.
Let me get y'all different makes and models, guys. If you're looking for a Challenger or Charger, come on out here and get you one, man. All right, so I'm done, guys. I'm about to go back into the shop. I got some work to do. All right, so there you have it, man. I'd like y'all to see our inventory. All right, so if you want one, come out here and get one. Just tell them JT sent you. You get a discount, man. A real good discount, man, because I'm pretty big around here, man. I'm tripping, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.